how to change your Safepal account password. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your Safepal account password. So the first step is to log in into your Safepal account just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, move to the top right corner where you can see your settings icon and click on it. So after clicking on your settings icon, you'll be brought to your settings page. So on this page, you'll see some options like security, address book, node settings, custom network, etc. So click on security, sorry. On the securities page, you can see the different kinds of signing in. So click on change security password. And so the next step would be for you to enter in your old password. So just go ahead and do that. Then enter in the new password that you would like to use. All right, so confirm the password as well. Okay, so enter it again, ensure it's consistent so that it can be used. All right, and then just like that, your password would be changed. As you can see, your password has been changed. But this is how you can change your Safepal account password. Thank you and have a good day.